Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you live from our Atlanta installation center. And check out this Model X. This thing is amazing, personalized all the way through. Let's get ready to go through all the details. For starters, this customer is not going to put T-Sportline wheels on yet, but we put alloy gator protection on the factory Tesla wheels. This will give him a little protection against curbs. A nice way to get started while he picks out what wheels he wants to put on here. 2025 Model X, this customer wanted a color change. This is actually a black Model X, but it is now sporting TMaxx gloss volcanic gray PPF installed here at T-Sportline, a full color change. This is a pretty elaborate process for us. We take off the fascias, the lights come out, the trim comes off. It's really a lot because the film has to fully roll over every edge and every corner to give you a true color change. And I challenge you, if you came in and looked at this now, it looks like it was painted volcanic gray. Really awesome job for PPF. We also put ceramic IR 35% window tint on here. That's a legal tint for the front, but it also is going to cool down the cabin. And then with all of the surfaces ready for protection, we've added our ceramic treatment on all of the glass, all of the plastic. The PPF gets ceramic as well, and the interior. That's going to give you a hard coating, which is the last line of defense to keep the interior from wearing and the exterior from getting stained or having anything that makes it hard to clean. Really a nice touch on top of the PPF and a must for the interior on a Tesla. The personalization didn't end with the color change. In fact, we accentuated it with the gloss carbon fiber V-twin insert here on the grille. And then we have matching gloss carbon fiber accents, which are camera covers right here, and then the mirror cover. These are actually real carbon fiber covers that we install. Looks amazing, matches that high quality look you'd expect on a Model X. Now, a nice touch on the inside of this Model X is going to be installing our sexy buttons. These are small pre-programmable buttons that can give you dozens of different Tesla functions at the push of a button. For instance, in my car, I control the fan speed for the HVAC with a button. Rather than going to the screen, clicking on the HVAC, bringing up speed, and then finally toggling up and down, I've got one of these buttons set where I can just tap it up and down for the fan speed. It's awesome. There's dozens of quick access Tesla functions you can program into your sexy buttons. And just for fun, no Model X video is complete without showing off the Falcon doors. This little guy's gonna be super excited to be riding in his parents' brand new Model X. All right, everybody, give me a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to our channel, come back soon. We've got a lot more Model X content coming your way.